singing sad songs like we never begin. Going on D&D, but I still watch it rain. December don't feel like a holiday thing. Used to say next year, now it's next to nothing. Fireplace lit, but the air stay rushing. Feeling like love in a soft red cup. Trying to drink down what I can't get enough. It's not the snow, it's the silence. It's not the gifts, it's the distance. It's not the cold, it's the quiet of me pretending I'm fine with this. Midnight more wine, you were never really mine. Now you show up in my mind, wrapped in gold but out of time. Sip slow, pretend I'm good. Told myself I understood, but this December don't shine. Just midnight more wine. I don't do tinsel, don't do fake cheer, but I played along when you were near. Left a gift under the tree for no one. Felt dumb, laughed once, poured rum. We ain't talking, but your playlist still play. Why'd you have to haunt me this way? Decorations looking more like ghosts, and the mistletoe's just for show. It's not the lights, it's the echo.
Cheers, baby.
Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Whatever the type of talk it is, come on then. I gotta know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. Like to think you feel the same way, but I can't tell with you sometimes. So baby, let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want
all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
Hi, good morning, you guys. I don't even know if you can see me or not. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. We have checked out and my family and I are walking now to the Inveraray castle. The castle itself is closed, but the grounds should be open. Sivu is there running with his dad. They're having a good time trying to tire him so that he naps for the 2 hours that we have to drive home. But we had such a wonderful stay. He made a lot of friends, and by a lot of friends I mean old people. But here we are now, and yeah, I can't wait to show you the castle. Let's go. Meal prep for the week. Daisy. We've got some beef stew. This with pap. See, I'm not a fan of pap, but this with pap would slap. I've just got some mint there. It's easier to eat for the boy. Then here I have some garlic roasted potatoes. I have some roasted butternut. There's no time, guys, when you've got children, there's no time to be standing on the stove for a very long time. I have some green beans and broccoli, a staple in my house. And this is giant couscous. I made it with chicken stock, I think. Chicken stock and just some fresh herbs with a bit of vinegar. And then for my salads, I've just got some roasted chickpeas with sweet potato that I'll mix in with some bell peppers, cucumber, feta when I make my salads for work. And I do have, there is pap in the fridge, and I also have, what do you call this? There's pasta in the fridge as well, and I have in the freezer leftover rice that I made last week. So yeah, we're all set for the week, and if anything runs low, we can just make as we go. This is the summer I signed up for. I'm okay. Oh, thank you, baby. Was mommy okay? She got an out. Would you like a plum? A plum? No? Yeah. This is a plum. Would you like some? Or would you like just your juice?
Bee.
A bee, it's a bumblebee. There's a bumblebee.
Bee.
Bumblebee.
Help.
Would you like some of this?
A bee.
No, it's not a bee. This is a plum. It's so yummy.
And yummy.
Here's some for you. I've got some for you. No?